In this video, I'm going to show you 5 free blend add-ons that you might want to have. Attach a line. This is a modeling add-on. Installation is pretty basic. With this add-on, you can align one object to another object's face. Select the object you want to align or move first, and the one with the correct alignment second. Press Tab. Next, select the face of the first object, then select the face of the second object which has the correct alignment. Right-click and select Attach a line. So this is one instance you might need this add-on. We can align this chair on the floor. Real damage. Installation is not something that you cannot handle. This add-on damages your objects basically. Yeah, that's right. With just a single click, you can damage your objects. Go to this Real Damage panel and click on Add Damage. You can customize the damage as well. You can play with it and get a damage that most suits your projects. Real Cloud. What this does is add in a cloud around an object, which would come in handy for your artist projects. Once you click on the image of these clouds, ta-da! You have this giant box, which is in fact the clouds, but to see this you have to go to the rendered view. You can customize the clouds as well. These clouds work in both Eevee and Cycles render engines, which is awesome. Vegeta add-on. This add-on can be used to scatter vegetation over an object. With the object selected, go to the Vegeta add-on panel and click on Scatter. This is what you get by default, but like always, you might want to customize. You can increase the density, randomize using the seed value and the random VS value. You can even change the scale of the plants and flowers. The effect value increases the density of vegetation in a particular area. And the coolest thing about this add-on is you can change the type of plants and flowers. Deep Bump. Here, after the main add-on installation is done, you have to install the dependencies as well. This add-on can be used to generate normal and displacement maps using the image textures that you use for the base color. This will come in handy when you have only the image texture. What you have to do is add the image texture. You might want to scale the texture a little bit. And with the image texture selected, go to the Deep Bump panel and click Generate Normal Map. Just like that, you have a normal map. You can generate height maps as well. By the way, you can see these bumps better in the Cycles render engine. Now you can clearly see the bumps. By the way, if you want to see more material add-ons, watch this video next.